Hi, I'm Melanie Rose, and this is my slide ad presentation. The original ad is a Lego Star Wars ad. It's on a yellow backdrop that is a Lego color. That's one of their big colors that stands out for them. It has a stormtrooper writing Vader sucks on the wall, and Darth Vader's trying to stop the other one and to make them not do that. So the Legos are in proximity to each other, and this ad uses typography also. So they used the yellow background that they took from the Lego logo that helps it to stand out. I don't know if you can see it here very well, but around the actual Lego words it has that yellow color. And this is my ad. In my ad I made sure to put the Lego logo so that you would know that it was for Lego. I used the Batman Legos because they have bad guys too. I made sure that all of the characters were in proximity to each other, and the Joker is writing smells in graffiti on the wall instead of Batman sucks, because I chose that because of the Christmas song Batman Smells. So the Joker is running away. I matched the purple of the graffiti to his clothes, and I used a font that is graffiti font so that they were similar, so that you could tell that this was part of the same ad campaign, that they were, both of the villains were writing in graffiti on the wall. I tried to put the graffiti over the Batman, but it didn't work. The colors just wouldn't work with it and make it stand out enough to be able to read it well. And the color of the backdrop here is also yellow, like the original Lego ad. I made sure to use hierarchy to put the characters in place so that they all seem like they had a role, like they had a part to play, that they weren't just there, that there was a purpose for them. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.